Yep, the time has come to say goodbye to the Cayman S. When I first picked up this car, I knew straight away that it was going to be one of the most challenging rebuilds so far. Nearly every single panel was damaged. It was so bad that I was the only person to bid on the car. I had to change pretty much everything: bumpers, doors, side skirts, rear quarters, and even the roof. Truth is, this car has pushed my mechanical abilities to the next level. And even after rebuilding it, we modified it to make it look like a GT4 and even remapped it to beat a GT4. And now it's ended up as probably one of the best cars in my collection. This car is unreal. Even after we finished the car, we took it to Porsche themselves, where it was inspected, and it got a really high score.
Put it to about 7.
After that, I've tested it out on the Nürburgring, Kerbra, and so many other tracks. This Porsche is the true underdog, which has become something I never expected. And even after all of this and how good this car looks, it's time for it to go. So you're telling me you've done all that work and spent all that time doing it just to sell it and get rid of it? Well, yeah, I've fully enjoyed this Porsche. It's been amazing, and I can't keep them all. It has truly opened me up to Porsche ownership and made me full commit to buying the GT3 out in America, which is now Tavares's. But it is time for it to go. I cannot keep them all. So what are you going to do then? Sell it? Or I've got a funny feeling it's going to be one of them stupid raffles you're going to do. Well, yeah, it looks like you've already guessed it, and those watching will already know, and probably already go into the link in the description. But for those who don't know, let me explain. Now, we've been doing this for years now, and it works perfectly for you guys and for the content as well. As you guys know, it is my job to create content now. I do this full time. And when a car's finished like this one, there's just no content in it anymore. Oh no, I could just tell what's coming. That's right, high-speed competitions are giving all of you guys a chance to win my Cayman S. Oh no, another one of these raffle scams. I hate them. They're rubbish. No one ever wins. You scam everyone. It's just not even real. Well, actually, no. That's where you're wrong. We've been doing this for years now. And here's a list of everybody else who's won one of my cars. We had Craig, who won my Audi S5. Jack, who won my Bentley Continental GT. Matt, who won my Golf R. Calum, who won Hannah's Ford Mustang. Mark, who won my Audi R8. Chris, who won my BMW M4. Another Chris, who won my M140i. Rebecca, who won Hannah's Audi RS5. Peter, who won my BMW M3. And finally, Craig, who won my BMW M5. Not only have all these subscribers got to enjoy the cars that we've built on the channel, a lot of the wins have also been life-changing. Matt, who won the Volkswagen Golf R, kept it for around 6 months and later sold it to pay for his brother-in-law's life-changing surgery. Calum, who won Hannah's Ford Mustang, insured the car for around 2 months and later sold it to buy his first house with his girlfriend. Chris also kept the BMW M4 for quite a while, later sold it, and also bought his first house. This is absolutely unreal. And just recently, Craig, who won the BMW M5, and his partner Laura sent me this card. Not only has Craig had the chance to own and drive his dream car,
this is one of my dream cars.
We now have the money to complete the renovation on our house. Craig has been working from home, and to now have the money towards a house is a total sense of relief for him. You really helped change our life. We wish you all lots of luck and happiness. Thank you, Craig and Laura. And we all did this as a YouTube channel. How mental is that? Well, that's all fine and just soppy and all, but why don't you just sell the car like everybody else? I've just explained why. It helps so many subscribers out. It's amazing for the channel. And if you don't like it, you don't have to enter. I'm not forcing anybody to enter in the competition. But if you do want to enter in, here's how. The competition will be hosted by High Speed Competitions. Hang on a minute, isn't that your girlfriend's company? Well, yes, it is. Hannah is part ownership of high-speed competitions. You had to set this up to make sure the competitions was all legal and legit. All right then, okay, so if I wanted to enter in, not that I do, how would I do it? Well, first off, there's only 24 hours remaining of the competition. So if you're in a rush, go get your tickets now. But here's how it's gonna work. First off, the competition will end on the 20th of December at this time. Okay, makes sense. So how many tickets are available? Well, here's the thing. This is a time-based competition, not a ticket-based competition. So we're taking a huge risk by closing this competition only 24 hours after this video goes live. Oh, okay, it's kind of exciting. Well, yeah, it's exciting for all of us. Imagine tomorrow, me calling you saying you've won the Cayman S. You'll find out literally tomorrow. And the reason why we do this is because I want people who watch my videos in the first 24 hours the best chance of winning one of my cars.
Hey Matt, I'm calling from the USA. Can I enter the competition?
I'm so sorry, it's a UK competition only. We cannot open it up all across the world because we need to abide by so many different rules to make it happen. And it's just virtually impossible. We've tried absolutely everything. I'm so sorry.
Okay, no worries, man. Keep up the good work.
To get the ticket, you have to click the link in the description box below, which will take you to High Speed Competition's website. You'll then have to answer a simple question. Once you've answered that simple question, you'll have to confirm your payment using your banking app. And then you'll get a confirmation screen which looks like this. And then you'll receive an email with your ticket number. Now, don't worry if you haven't received your ticket number. One, check your spam, or go onto High Speed Competition's website. Go onto your account in the top right-hand corner, make sure you're logged in, and you should see your ticket numbers around here. But failing that, if you do win, we'll call you on the day or contact you by email, not by any social media platforms. We will not message you on comments or DM you. It will literally be text, email, or we'll give you a ring if you've won. Well, I've got ticket 9,942,000. Is that how many tickets you've sold? This is a scam! No, the ticket numbers are randomly allocated. You could get ticket number 1 or ticket 9,942,000. It is completely random. But on the day of the live draw, we'll keep drawing the tickets until we find a ticket number which has sold. Okay, so is it only the Porsche I can win then, or what? First place will win the Porsche and £2,000 cash to hopefully tax it and insure it. Second place will be winning £1,000 cash. Third place will be winning £1,000 cash. Fourth place will be winning £1,000 cash, and fifth place will be winning £1,000 cash. But don't worry, if you came fifth place, your number will be re-entered into the draw, so you have a chance of winning fourth place, third place, second place, and first place. If you're really lucky, you could potentially win all 5 places. You have to be really lucky for that though. Okay, so how do I know if I've won? Oh, okay, so there's going to be a live draw on the 20th of December at 9 PM on High Speed Competition's Facebook page and also on my YouTube channel. We will be live. Okay, so it's live, but how do we know we're not just going to, you're just not going to fix it to one of your mates? So the winner is picked using a Google random number generator. We found this is the most fairest and best way we could do it. You guys can all use it at home. Go onto Google and type Google random number generator. We've done it with plenty of other competitions. Whilst we're live, me and Hannah will select the minimum number on the random number generator and the maximum number will be the highest number allocated to a ticket. So what happens if you do win? Well, me and Hannah will be calling you live. You've just won my BMW M4 competition. Tomorrow, if you have won, but don't worry if you don't pick up the phone, we'll pester you with texts, emails, and if you don't pick up, we'll keep trying until you do. So after all of this, where does the money go? Well, at the minute, as I mentioned, this is a big risk for me. I'm not sure how many tickets will sell in these 24 hours we have left. But as you all know and have seen throughout the years, anything we do make just goes straight back into the channel to making good content for you guys to watch week in, week out. But please don't feel if you don't enter in, you're not supporting the channel. You're supporting the channel right now by just watching the videos, commenting and liking. So for all those that do buy a ticket, thank you. But if you don't or don't want to, that's completely fine. Thank you so much just for watching the channel and enjoying the content that I put out. So good luck to every single person that have bought a ticket, and hopefully I'll be calling you tomorrow night to say that you've won the Cayman S. What a car. Thank you so much for all your support. It's going to be a great Christmas for one of you guys, definitely. I guess we'll see you tomorrow on the live draw. Peace out.
What are you laughing at now?
Like a drug that I just can't deny.